Hello and welcome to a new video of Penpot, the open source design and prototyping tool for the whole team. In today's video we are going to work with assets and we are going to learn how to manage and storage all of our design assets. So first thing is the assets section is here. So we are going to use as an example, the design system file, which is included when you create a new user. Assets are divided in 4 categories: components, graphics, color, and typographies. First section is components. Here you could see that we already have all our components well organized in groups and well named, which is very important. So for example, here in our buttons primary, you could drag and drop all your components and edit etc. So if you want to add a new component here in your assets, you only have to create it. For example, I'm going to do a quick button. I'm going to press K and scale the text, okay? Okay, so now I want to add this kind of button to my component, so I only have to select all the elements and right click, create component, okay? Then here, as you can see, I already add to my assets this component, and I can reuse it and create variants for my designs. Delete it, okay? And a very important part of the assets is to group all your graphics and your components. So to do that, you have to multi-select with shift click, okay, all the elements, and right click, create a group. Another way to do that is to rename a component using slash group, as you can see here, slash group slash the component name. Well, let's go to the second part, which are graphics. Here in our design system, we use this section to storage all our icon sets and illustrations, images, etc. That we want to use in other designs. So as you could see, we can add new graphics here and drag and drop the elements very quick and easy. The organization and the group to group graphics is the same as components. Third section are colors. Here is our color palette that we daily use in creating and designing Penpot. For example, I'm going to create a new group of colors. You can create a section inside the colors. No, you can't create groups. For example, I could shift click all my grayscale, create a group, yep, and it's done. Now here I have my primary colors and my grayscale. To use all these colors is really easy. You only have to select an element and then you could click on the color. For example, as you could see here, and if I change or modify my primary dark color, it will be applied to all my primary dark elements. Okay, the last section is typographies. Here you could see that we already have created a bunch of typographies to use in Penpot. For example, I want to apply to this title the header menu, and it's only have to click and apply it, and you can multi-select and group all these typographies and keep them well organized. So yep, that's all.